Hi you guys, it's me being Tori out here in my garden. If you can see with me, I got my cat of course on my lap, and I also have a strawberry plant that I've been working on, and I might need you guys help because I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos. So if you guys got any thoughts, opinions, tips on growing strawberry plants, comment down below and let me know. And as we know, strawberries are non-toxic for cats, so she's gonna be a nibbler. She's gonna be nibbling. So we're gonna get to it. So if you made it this far into the video, I want to say thank you so much for watching, and to help me out and get to that YouTube algorithm, I want you to comment down below the word of the day. So, or you comment down below your thoughts and opinions. They always matter, and I would love to hear from you guys. So let's think about the word of the day. I think the word of the day should be fresca. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I know it's the Spanish word for strawberry, so and that's what I'm going to be talking about today, fresca. So comment down the word below, fresca. So, and like I said, help my channel grow. Your thoughts and opinions always matter, and positive vibes always matter. So comment down below, fresca. Let's get to it. This might be a little weird making this video with my cat on my lap, but I want to show you some tools that I'm going to be working with. These are garden pens. I got them off of Walmart. I got 2-pack of 50, and I already used some, and I'm going to show you what I did. And the reason why that the plant that I'm doing is separate from this is because of her. So with this plant, I've learned a lot. I'm learning a lot. I watch a lot of YouTube videos. I'm learning a lot. Like, I didn't know, like, this part. I was like, when I was growing this, I thought this was like, hopefully I can zoom in to show you guys. It's the root. This is the root. So I knew about the runners of a plant, but I didn't know strawberries had roots. And I get to do one of my favorite things, propagation, propagating from a plant to make a new plant, to make another strawberry plant. So that's what I'm going to be working on today. And I was telling many others that I have a lot of green, which is great, which is really great, but I don't think I'm going to get any strawberries this year. And this is my first time growing strawberries, so make sure you check out my strawberry video of how I started this strawberry in a pot. I do believe it can be manageable growing in a pot, and I do believe maybe next year, or who knows, maybe in 4 weeks a strawberry will come. I'm going to be working today is taking the roots of the plant and repotting them. So let me show you what I got. I showed you my garden pens already. So I have these, and I have this garden pot here that needs to be filled with soil. So I think my only option is, as I watch the other YouTubers talk about strawberries, is that you don't want to pluck the root, like the root from the mother, the center of it, right? You just want to make sure that before you do that, before you cut it off, you want to make sure that the root has established to the soil. So I was thinking, what can I do? And I was saying, okay, I could just put this small flower pot inside and grab a root. I think I picked one, like a root like this that will reach, fill it up with soil, and use my garden pens and wait for weeks for the roots to establish to the soil. You know, I'll do my pull test, and then I will see, then I will cut it and then transfer it, and then I'll have another strawberry growing. So that's going to be exciting. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And also I will show you my other plant that was an accident, that my cat was having some fun and she snapped the strawberry runner that had a root on it. And yeah, I said, there's a root, let me put it in some soil and see if it will grow, maybe or maybe not. We'll see. So let's get started on working on this project right here, and I'll show you guys more. Like, I have so many roots, so many potential propagations of growing this strawberry. It's a multiple amount of strawberries. It's like so exciting, but I was like, I'm kind of running out of pots. I don't know. I was like, what can I do? I was like, I don't know what to do. So I could probably, if my family wants one, I'm gonna text them to see if they want one. But I'm gonna see if this will work. So with the roots And we're gonna do some cleaning up on the strawberry too. I got some dried up leaves, some dead leaves, and we'll take it from there, you guys. So let's get to starting propagating. I love them. Propagating some strawberries. Propagating these strawberries with all these roots that I now know are roots and it's not fungi. So, or it's something that I was like, what is growing on? But I did some research, I did some learning, and now I know it's roots. Okay, so let's get started. Hey guys, so I moved to a different work area to work on my strawberries. Like I mentioned before, I've got the garden pins. I filled up my pot with soil. So this is the pot that I'm gonna make room inside the strawberries and make sure I'm not like stepping, you guys, and make sure my the pot is not stepping on any other potential roots or anything like that. And I can see so far that I could reach 2 roots, but if I do some changing around, you know, like, cause this one big root right here really caught my eye. I don't know if you guys can see. So I see I have potential roots around, like this is a potential root right here. So many roots, you guys. Let's count them. I got a potential root here. So that's 2, 3, so many. 4, so many. 5 right here. So I see there's space right here, and I'm going to see if I could maybe propagate 2 to reach the soil without breaking and moving all the branches from the center of the strawberry. So let's do this one as a potential if my cat joining me. And what else could be a potential? Can I? Yeah, because I'm going to use the garden pins to make them stick. The garden pins to make them stick. So I got 2 potentials, you guys. And before I begin, I'm going to make sure I wet the soil. So let's get the soil wet up. So here I have my water, and I'm just going to wet the soil. Just wet it in here. So it's going to get wet first. All nice and wet. Get ready for the roots to attach to the soil. Let's fill it up. These also need to be watered too. I got my garden pins, and I think I picked out the roots that I wanted to do, and I'm just gonna have to be patient, you guys. I'm gonna have to wait for like a few weeks for to see if they're attached to the soil. So here I go. Why? I'm so nervous, you guys. Okay. All these potential roots, you guys. Okay. So these are the garden pins that I'm going to be using. Can you guys see that? So this was a great deal off of Walmart. I got a set of 2 for $50, and they were the perfect size. You know, I didn't want too big or too small. So I'm nervous, y'all. Can you attach to the soil? I think because I'm nervous. So here we go. So I'm gonna put the garden pin here, and they say not to push it all the way in. You just want it like kind of like at the top. So here I go. I'm just gonna stick it in there. I think I might need to put a little more water. It already came up, you guys, because I was like, and then another one. Ow! I'm okay. And I'm gonna use another one for the other side. So I was thinking, you know, once this strawberry propagates and gets into the soil, then I'm gonna have to do some more. I'm gonna have like so many strawberries, you guys will start stealing strawberries. And then this one, really, yeah, I'm gonna do this one. So hopefully it's not crowded for them, you guys. It might be crowded. What do you guys think? Okay, you guys, so I was talking about, you know, overcrowding the already first propagated strawberries. So I decided, okay, Let me grab another root, and I have another pot ready. So I'm using my recyclable containers that has the drainage holes in them. And if you haven't checked it, check out my video. But this is going to be the second pot of strawberries, propagated strawberries I'm going to try to grow. So I got it already, and let me water it up. See, I'm watering it. Make sure the soil is wet and my ankles are wet as well. There you go. Okay guys, so this is the runner because it's very low, and this is the root that I'm going to choose to use. So I'm going to do like I did the first one, put it in the soil like this, and we're going to use the garden pins to attach it. So hopefully the roots attach to the soil like we did this one right here. Okay, so my soil is wet. I got my garden pins, and I picked out the root that I want to propagate, start another strawberry plant. So here we go right here. I'm just going to gently put it in the soil, not push it all the way down. Put the pins in there so it won't move around here and there and everywhere. So let's do that. So yeah, see, it reaches out. Here we go. Gonna try to put the root in the soil. Like I said, I'm not gonna push it in. And I'm gonna take my garden pin, put it like here. You guys see that? And I'm wearing my glasses. Put it right there. And put one right here. Not pushing it, but there we go. Hopefully that stays, and we'll check in a couple of weeks to see if the roots have attached to the soil. And there we go. Down the runners to hopefully for the roots to establish to the soil, and then we have another one right here. There we go. Look at all of this green, guys. All of this. So you guys, I'm gonna take you guys over to this strawberry right here. So my cute cat. I'm trying to run away, Cupcake. Okay. So my cat, she jumped up and she was trying to, nibble her some strawberries. Like I said at the beginning, they're not toxic. So this one just ripped off. It just flew off. So I know, like what the experts say, don't remove the potential root propagated strawberry plant from the mother plant. But I was like, let me try. It was just laying on the ground. I saw the root. So here I did was just take the garden pins. Whoa, 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 whoa. So I just took the garden pins and attached it. You can see 2 strawberry leaves. And I need to get a tag, ouch, you guys. I need to get a garden tag and tag the strawberries so I can remember when I started it, blah, blah, blah. So here we go. That is another potential starter strawberry. Let's see if it roots. Start growing another strawberry. We'll give it a few weeks. So, you guys, I'm going to be so happy growing these strawberries in a pot, and I'm so happy to have my balcony garden with so much potential. In my balcony garden, I'm going to have strawberries. I'm going to have potential strawberries, potential tomatoes. I already have some herbs growing. I have my rosemary and my basil and my green onions. So I'm getting more edibles to eat in my garden. So it's going to be so exciting. Also, I'm excited that because strawberries are perennial, so that means they're going to keep coming back. And I know that they're not toxic to cats, so if I catch her nibbling, it'll be okay. And I'm growing them in the container, and I'm just so excited to be growing these strawberries along with my other beautiful flowers and all my other edibles in my garden, like my basil and rosemary, and start growing your own food. So I'm just excited for these strawberries. You guys, I'm so excited. That's pretty much it of my video of me learning about strawberries, and thank you so much for joining with me and learning about strawberries too. And like I said at the beginning, if you have any tips or extra knowledge that I should know about strawberries as I try to start propagating these strawberries into a new plant, it's gonna be so exciting, you guys. So I'll make sure I keep you guys updated and posted on what's going on in my garden and what's going on with my strawberries and what's going on with my cat. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you made it this far, don't forget the word is fresca. And like I always like to say, thank you for watching and keep on growing. Bye. Cupcake, we're gonna have so many strawberries. Cupcake, are you excited for the strawberries?